I'm Rob Aarnes, President of ADI Global Distribution. First, I want to thank you, our amazing customers. This has been a year of growth and momentum for our combined organization as we continue to serve you and your businesses. In just 12 months, we've made meaningful progress. Over 4,000 team members across 25 countries are now working as one team. And we've added more than 5,000 products to our combined portfolio. We've revamped and opened stores in Austin, Omaha, Oklahoma City, Pittsburgh, Raleigh, San Antonio, and Montreal with an expanded footprint to now include more exclusive brands, with even more stores planned to open, remodel, or consolidate by the end of the year. It's a massive effort across logistics, training, and supply chain, but our team is built for it and we're ready. Through it all, we've kept our focus on you, the professionals, out there installing and supporting the spaces people rely on every day, delivering on our commitment to be even better together. You get more access, more support, and more opportunities to grow your business. We're proud of the progress we've made, but we know there's much more ahead. So today, we want to share what's next and how we're continuing to evolve together to serve you even better. Now, before we dive in, I want to take a moment to sincerely thank our suppliers and manufacturing partners. Your support, collaboration, and commitment have played a critical role in helping us get to this point and in helping us deliver more value to you and your customers. To kick us off, I'd like to welcome Allie Copeland, who will walk you through the services, tools, and solutions we're bringing forward to support your success.
Hi, I'm Allie Copeland, Chief Transformation Officer. Over 1 year in, and we're proving what even better together really means. We didn't guess what needed to change, we asked. We gathered your feedback, turned it into clear priorities, and made sure our senior leaders across the organization were accountable for action. That's driven improvements across product access, communication, and support. We've built strong service teams, simplified tools, and made it easier for you to get what you need so you can focus on delivering great experiences for your customers. We're also investing in your growth with digital tools, expert training, education, and local expertise to help you scale and stay competitive. More than 65,000 customers now rely on our digital platforms. ADI's website features AI-powered search and faster navigation to help you find what you need quickly and accurately. We've partnered with X10AV to make system design and quoting easier on the ADI portal, with real-time pricing and access to product data used by over 20,000 pros. Because education is a priority, we've built a full suite of learning opportunities to support your success, from ADI Academy and webinars to in-store training and industry events. And with local experts in stores across the country, help is always close by. We're also proud to celebrate key accomplishments with our supplier community, growing sales of distributed brands by 8%, adding 30% of brands to our assortment, and expanding cross-sell opportunities. We've brought 21 brands from ADI to Snap One and 18 brands from Snap One to ADI, including special order and limited availability lines. We're not just combining companies, we're helping you do more. Now, to share how we're evolving our product ecosystem to support that mission, I'll hand it over to Jason Winchester.
Hi, I'm Jason Winchester, Chief Product Officer at ADI. As we've come together as one company, we've continued to invest in platforms and products that make your job easier and your business stronger. For our Control4 dealers, our commitment remains strong with trusted support, certification programs, and a premium experience that you can rely on. Control4 integrates and automates thousands of devices across lighting, entertainment, audio, comfort, security, and more, giving you the flexibility to design whole home or business solutions that improve your clients' lives and grow your business. In June, we launched Control4 X4 in North America, and it's already transforming how our customers interact with our smart spaces. With customizable widgets, intelligent routines, and a redesigned home screen, expanded Apple integrations, X4 delivers more control, more personalization, and a more intuitive experience than ever before. We've also made major improvements to OvrC, redesigning the platform to save you time and give you more control. From the new categories view and customizable device list to the launch of a powerful new reports dashboard, The latest OvrC enhancements give you greater visibility. It's all about making navigation faster and easier so you can focus on delivering the best customer support experience possible. OvrC has evolved far beyond remote reboots. Today, it's the industry's leading cloud management platform, helping you scale through faster deployments, better diagnostics, and improved reliability. It's a core part of your daily operations and a foundation for delivering services and recurring revenue if you choose to go that route. All of this reflects one core belief: your growth is our goal. And that's why we continue to invest in smarter tools, stronger platforms, and a better ecosystem so you can deliver more value with confidence. By integrating the ADI and Snap One portfolios, we're not only simplifying sourcing, we're strengthening our long-term position in core product categories. Now that you've seen how our platform investments are powering smarter installs and better experiences, let's take a look at the products that bring it all to life.
Lux by Control4 is a premium line of keypads, dimmers, switches, and outlets designed for luxury spaces. With sleek design, premium materials, free engraving, and both wired and wireless options, Lux blends beauty and performance. It's already earned the SSI 2025 MVP Award for Innovation, and it's helping dealers win in high-end spaces with lighting that's as functional as it is stunning. Triad has been a trusted name in high-performance audio for over 40 years, and today we're building on that legacy with a new generation of products. Our slim subwoofers deliver powerful, space-saving bass, and our purpose-built subwoofer rack-mount amplifiers power Triad passive subs, delivering deep, cinematic bass performance in any space. Triad dual-powered subwoofers offer massive, efficient output with full customization to dial in the perfect low-frequency response for any room. Our updated cinema speakers, including LCRs, surrounds, and satellites, now feature a new spring dog system for faster, safer installs. We're launching new in-wall and in-ceiling satellite speakers, engineered for streamlined installs and exceptional audio clarity. We're also expanding the Triad outdoor lineup with modular satellite speakers in multiple sizes and finishes, along with high-output burial subs delivering unmatched performance for outdoor entertainment. Built for both performance and aesthetics, Triad will continue to be your premium audio solution indoors and out. The SunBrite Solis series is built to perform in full sunlight with a 1500 nit 4K 60 HDR10 display, True Vision anti-glare technology, and an RGB-W panel for vibrant, crystal clear picture quality. Solis delivers class-leading outdoor performance with convenient smart features like WebOS, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, voice control, IR and IP control, and OvrC Pro for seamless remote management. An IP55 rating and enhanced media bay protect the experience in rough weather and temperatures, ranging from 32 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. With flexible install options for full sun or partial sun environments, Solis sets the new standard for outdoor viewing season after season. Episode Extreme is built with marine-grade materials to perform in the toughest conditions: extreme heat, relentless moisture, salty air, and high winds. Whether it's a coastal home, screened porch, sauna, or even a boat, these speakers deliver powerful, reliable sound with industry-leading durability. Designed for endurance and engineered for performance, Episode delivers reliable sound in any environment. The next generation of Episode hybrid amplifiers are designed for high-output 70-volt and low-impedance systems, such as Episode Surroundscape. Engineered for industry-leading power, these amplifiers now deliver 1,200 and 2,400 watts from previous 1,000 and 2,000 watt models and support a wide range of audio systems with versatile inputs and outputs. Their two-channel design allows for easy setup and configuration, making them ideal for 8-ohm, 70-volt, 100-volt, or hybrid 70-volt, 8-ohm commercial or residential audio system installations. For our commercial integrators, the Episode Business Music solution offers a full suite of audio products designed to simplify deployment, streamline control, and deliver exceptional sound in any business setting. It can serve as a standalone solution for simple jobs or scale up with media over IP for larger installations, making it easier than ever to tailor audio systems to your client's needs. Seamless integration with Control4, RIF, MOIP, and OvrC makes installation and management easy. With DSPs, amplifiers, mix amps, and wall plates, Episode Business Music lets you customize solutions for every project. Built for reliability and value, Episode delivers consistent, high-quality audio, tested to perform in demanding commercial environments. A fast, reliable network is essential for every connected project. That's why we offer both Access Networks, our enterprise-grade solution for large and complex installs, and Araknis Networks, a scalable, easy-to-deploy solution for residential and commercial projects. And with our latest Access Networks access points, we bring the speed and efficiency of Wi-Fi 7 to our networking customers, delivering higher capacity and lower latency for today's most demanding connected environments. All Araknis hardware and Access Networks Unleashed access points are OvrC enabled, giving integrators greater control and visibility into projects, as well as faster and easier deployments. Luma offers a complete range of OvrC-enabled, NDAA-compliant, and on-VIF conformant cameras, NVRs, and software, ideal for any project size or budget. Our flagship hybrid cameras continue to set the standard by combining traditional IR and color-at-night technology with advanced active deterrence. Leveraging AI, they proactively detect and respond to potential threats, capturing critical details and strengthening security before issues arise. Our new floodlight cameras are an important addition to the Luma product family, combining traditional surveillance with external floodlight illuminators and available in PoE or Wi-Fi configurations. Designed to enhance security for homes and businesses alike, they help to deter intruders and provide greater peace of mind, day or night. Luma seamlessly integrates with Control4, offering native driver support and unlocking powerful automation capabilities with Luma Insights. From detecting intruders to letting you know when your package is delivered, Luma helps create smarter, safer environments that enhance both convenience and security.
Thank you for joining us today. As we move forward together, our mission remains clear: to support you with the tools, technology, and partnership you need to grow your business and deliver exceptional results. We're proud of the progress we've made and even more excited about what's ahead. And ADI at Snap One, we're not just combining companies, we are building something better together.